justice and
The
wisdom.
wise caliph. Okay, the wise caliph is a name.
At night, he would
Huzaifa,
design himself as a
listen
common
to me,
man
Huzaifa, Mr.
and go through
Huzaifa.
the streets of Baghdad. He would mingle
Huzaifa, just listen to me first. The name of the chapter is The Wise Caliph. Okay, now read from the beginning, and if there is a mistake, just wait, I'll correct you, and then you go ahead. All right. Yes, read. Say the wise caliph, okay? The name of the chapter is wise is intelligent. Somebody who is intelligent is called wise. Yes, now read. Read the chapter now. The Caliph Harun al-Rashid, from the first paragraph, start reading.
at night. He would
Beta, from the
disguise
beginning,
himself as
Huzaifa,
common
can you
man
hear me?
and go through the street of Baghdad. He would mingle with the common.
His speaker is off. My goodness. Well, Beta Huzaifa, can you read from the very beginning, the first paragraph? Okay, no problem. There's some problem here. Now wait, I'll read the first paragraph and I'll tell you what this chapter is about. The wise caliph is about the caliph. Caliph, you understand? In Urdu, you say Khalifa, uh, the ruler. Okay, so the wise caliph, this is a story about a caliph Harun al-Rashid who is very famous, and he is well known for his intelligence, for his justice. He was a very intelligent ruler, and he tried his best to help the people during his reign. Reign, 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 okay? Reign मतलब उनका दौर, उनका जो वक्त था, उस वक्त ये किस तरह लोगों की हेल्प करते थे. This story about it is about one such case. Okay, I'll just read the beginning first paragraph, and make sure you listen to me. Turn on your speakers, switch on your speakers so that you can understand what I say. The Caliph Harun al-Rashid was known and respected for his justice and wisdom. Justice and wisdom, uh, ये कैलिफ हारून रशीद, जो खलीफा हारून रशीद थे, वो जाने जाते थे, उनकी बहुत इज्जत की जाती थी बिकॉज ऑफ हिज जस्टिस. जस्टिस इज इंसाफ. विजडम, इंटेलिजेंस, आई टोल्ड यू. उर्दू में एक और वर्ड इसके लिए हिकमत. ही वॉज वेरी वेल नोन फॉर हिज जस्टिस एंड विजडम. अच्छा, हाउ ही वुड हेल्प द पीपल, देखो. एट नाइट ही वुड डिस्गाइज हिमसेल्फ. नाउ जस्ट सी दिस वर्ड ओवर हियर. यहाँ एक वर्ड है, ये डिस्गाइज वर्ड नजर आ रहा है. डिस्गाइज, डिस्गाइज का मतलब चेंज योर अपीयरेंस. यू नो, व्हेन यू चेंज योर अपीयरेंस, यू से डिस्गाइज. ना भेस बदल के, he would change his appearance because he was a ruler. ठीक है, तो रूलर को अपने आप को थोड़ा चेंज करना पड़ता था. So he would disguise himself as a common man and go through the streets of Baghdad. Common man, एक आम आदमी. ये एक आम आदमी की तरह ड्रेसअप करते थे at night, and he would go through the streets of Baghdad. बगदाद की streets पे फिर ये जाते थे. Why? क्यों करते थे ऐसा? He would mingle with the common people in order to gain first-hand knowledge of their difficulties and problems. See, he was such a nice person. He disguised himself, and he looked like a common man. Then after that, he started going, and he would walk on the streets एंड मीट, मिंगल मतलब उनके साथ घुल मिल जाते थे। ही वुड मीट विद द कॉमन पीपल। ऐसे ही ना, हाँ भी कैसे हैं आप, सुनाइए क्या परेशानी है, इस मोहल्ले में क्या इश्यूज हैं। तो इस तरीके से ये क्या करते थे, ही वुड मिंगल विद द कॉमन पीपल इन ऑर्डर टू गेन first hand knowledge. First hand knowledge is directly getting knowledge from somebody, directly getting information from somebody. एक तो है ना भाई, मैं किसी से पूछूं, अच्छा आप बताइए भाई उस मोहल्ले में कैसे हालात हैं, क्या है। तो दिस इज नॉट फर्स्ट हैंड नॉलेज, यू कैन नॉट डायरेक्टली गेट नॉलेज, दिस इज थ्रू समबडी। तो डायरेक्ट नॉलेज के लिए क्या करते थे, ही वुड डायरेक्टली गेट फर्स्ट हैंड नॉलेज ऑफ देयर डिफिकल्टीज एंड प्रॉब्लम्स। उनकी जो डिफिकल्टीज थी, उनके जो प्रॉब्लम्स थे, उनको ये किस तरह टैकल करना है, क्या उनके प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, इसके लिए वो डायरेक्ट उनसे इंफॉर्मेशन लेते थे। दिस वाज हाउ ही वुड गो अराउंड। ओके, एवरीथिंग क्लियर? यहाँ तक कोई क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है? इफ यू वांट टू आस्क मी समथिंग, यू कैन रेज योर हैंड एंड आस्क मी इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन अप क्लियर। ओके, नो क्वेश्चन, फाइन। Now see the second paragraph. One day when he was holding court, ये जरा समझे, holding court मैं आपको बताता हूँ। Two men were brought before him. Before him, I'll explain what is the meaning of before him. One of them was well dressed and appeared to be a well-to-do, respectable citizen, while the other seemed to be a beggar because he was in rags. Okay, this word rags you have studied last year in your class 9 book, in the story The Secret of Success. And I hope you remember the meaning of this word rags. Uh, this is, they are telling what happened. One day, Caliph Harun al-Rashid was holding court. Holding court का क्या मतलब है? मतलब he was sitting in his uh, court in his palace where he was holding court, मतलब दरबार जैसे लगता है ना, तो उसमें केसेस आते हैं, यानी अदालत लगती है। रोजाना बादशाह के सामने एक अदालत लगती है और उसमें केसेस लाए जाते हैं, भाई आपका क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आपका क्या प्रॉब्लम है। एंड दोज पीपल हु हैव प्रॉब्लम्स आर ब्रॉट बिफोर द किंग। So here Caliph Harun al-Rashid was in the court in his palace, and there he was holding the court, मतलब अदालत उनकी लगी हुई थी वहाँ, अदालत अदालत के अंदर वो केसेस सुन रहे थे। तो two men were brought before him. Before मतलब यहाँ पर before का मतलब in front of him। before का मतलब ये नहीं करेंगे उनके पीछे खड़े हुए द्वार, before in front of him, इस तरह इंग्लिश में कहते हैं before him। अच्छा, one of them, यानी out of those two people, one of them was well dressed and appeared to be a well-to-do, respectable citizen. Out of those two people who were there, one appeared, matlab seemed, he looked like a very respectable citizen. He was looked as if he is from a good family because he was dressed well, and he looked like a respectable and responsible citizen of the city. So what about the other person? How was he looking? The other person looked like a beggar. Seemed to be a beggar, matlab he looked like a beggar. You know what is a beggar, right? Because he was in rags. See, rags are shabby looking clothes, made from torn pieces of cloths. छोटे छोटे कपड़ों से आपने देखा है बाज़ दफ़ा ये बेगर्स इस तरह पहनते हैं, अलग अलग पीसेस को स्टिच करके रैग्स से कपड़े बना लेते हैं। खैर अभी तो बहुत सारे प्रोफेशनल बेगर्स होते हैं, उनके तो ये वार्डरोब कहीं अवेलेबल भी होगा, लेकिन यूजुअली जो वाक़तन ऐसे बेगर्स कोई अगर हो दुनिया में, तो दे don't have proper clothes to wear, so they join different pieces of cloths, they stitch those rags। तो छोटे छोटे जो पीसेस होते हैं कपड़ों के जिसको वो स्टिच करते हैं, वो रैग्स कहलाते हैं। ओके, अच्छा, नाउ two people are there. One is a very nice looking person and the other is a beggar। दो लोग हैं, So what is the case? What is the case now? Case क्या है सामने? These two men were holding between them a beautiful white horse. जो लड़ाई है, जो conflict है, that is regarding a white beautiful horse. A beautiful white horse. अब क्या कह रहे हैं दोनों? The काजी, काजी मतलब वो जो जज था, यू नो, काजी बेसिकली द जज. मैं लिख दूं काजी इज अ जज so that you remember. Qazi means judge. Okay. So this is the meaning of Qazi. Okay. The Qazi approached the Caliph. Approached matlab, what is the meaning of approach? Approached means uh, he came or he went towards the Caliph and said to him. अब वो जो जज था उसने खलीफा से, बादशाह से कहा, ओ लीडर ऑफ द फेथफुल. ये बादशाह का टाइटल ऐसे अदब से उनको एड्रेस कर रहे हैं कि ए फेथफुल लोग, फेथफुल कहते हैं ना, वफादार लोगों के लीडर, किसी को अदब से इस तरह बुलाते हैं ना. आई हैव ब्रॉट बिफोर यू. बिफोर का मतलब मैंने आपको बताया, यहाँ पर बिफोर का मतलब यानी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू अ डिस्प्यूट. डिस्प्यूट मीन्स अ फाइट, अ क्वारल, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, एक आर्ग्यूमेंट. आपके सामने एक आर्ग्यूमेंट लेकर आए, एक प्रॉब्लम है. which I could not settle. I could not settle matlab I could not solve. It was not possible for me to solve it, so I have brought it in front of you so that you can resolve this. It is a difficult case. कह रहे हैं भाई ये केस भी जो है ना जो लेकर आए वो डिफिकल्ट है, कोई ऐसे नहीं है. But I am certain that with your knowledge and wisdom you will pronounce a just decision. ये कह रहे हैं कि भाई मुझे तो पूरा यकीन है, I am very much confident that you will pronounce matlab you will give, you will announce a just decision. A just decision means a decision in which there is justice, जिसमें इंसाफ हो. आप इंसाफ वाला फैसला करेंगे. उनको पूरा कॉन्फिडेंट था जो काजी थे, उन्होंने कहा आई एम श्योर यू विल गिव अ वेरी गुड डिसीजन. तो ये अब स्टोरी इस तरह स्टार्ट हुई है. ठीक है. कैलिफ हारून और रशीद जो हैं, ही इज नोन फॉर हिज जस्टिस, विजडम. क्यों वो क्या किस तरह लोगों को हेल्प करते हैं? ही changes his dress, he appears like a common man and he meets different people. He goes to the streets of Baghdad, he mingles with the people around to get direct knowledge, first hand knowledge of their problems. ये उनकी एक अच्छाई पहले उन्होंने बताई. And then they are telling that one day when he was in his court, he was trying to solve cases and the problems of people. The Qazi had brought a case over there where there were two people, and one of them, one of those two men was looking well dressed and appeared to be from a good family, whereas the other one looked like a beggar. And there was a white beautiful horse between them, and the Qazi said that now please try to solve the case. And the case has not been told to us up till now. We'll discuss the case in the next class. And the Qazi is very much sure that the Caliph Harun al-Rashid is going to solve this difficult case, because the Qazi said, I could not solve it. It is a difficult case for me. You understand, children? Now, please make sure that uh, you know the words which I have underlined over here. Try to see the meanings of these words. Try to understand the meanings of these words. And if you have any difficulty, please ask questions. Do not sleep in the class, so that your issues, your problems can be resolved and I can get first hand knowledge of your difficulties.